Well, Veronica, thank you so much for coming in. I am so excited to interview you for this position. You come highly recommended. Well, that's great. I love to hear that I'm highly recommended, and I'm honored to be here for this interview. I've already sort of gone over your resume, and you're everything we've been looking for. You are, excellent written and verbal communication skills, bilingual, results-driven, team-oriented, analytical. You have your degree in business. It's everything that we are looking for in this position. That's why I applied, because I've worked really hard to hone in on all these skills, and I feel that I can be a great asset to your team. There's just one thing we need to discuss. Under salary, you listed that you would settle for no less than $95K. That's a little over what we're willing to pay for this position. You know what? That's okay. It is okay? Okay, that was easier than I got it. But what do you mean though? What do you mean it's okay? Like, do you accept the job? I'm willing to negotiate, so let me know which qualifications you want me to exclude from my resume, and then we'll start over, and then you can let me know what you're willing to pay me for the qualifications that remain. Oh, no, we as a company want you to bring all of these qualifications to the table. I don't want to exclude any of them. You have a list of very, very admirable qualities. I would like for you to bring all of them to the table. And I get that. And I completely respect your position. I'm bringing a lot of experience, and I'm going to bring skills and qualifications that you have been looking for. And that is what I feel that I'm worth. If you don't feel that I'm worth the $95,000, that's perfectly fine. But then I won't bring all of my skills and qualifications. I'm going to have to take this back to the team. But I guess we'll be in contact with you. Take it back to the team. Do what you got to do. I'm going to give you about 48 hours to get back to me. I know my worth. I know what I'm bringing to the table, and that's how much I'm requiring for my services. So you let me know if you want to continue doing business. If not, there's other companies out there that are willing to pay me what I'm worth. Ma'am, you've been late 5 times. I'm unable to waive any more fees. You've already received courtesy.
You're just going in circles. Get me to a supervisor.
Sure.
Right now.
Yeah, absolutely. Let me get you over to supervisor. One moment.
Escalations. This is Lorraine. How can I help you?
Hey, Lorraine, I have a customer who would like a fee waived. I already explained to her that we've waived her fee in the past. She's late again for like the 3rd time in a row. So I told her that I wasn't going to waive it, and she's asking for a supervisor.
It's been fee waiver all day long. Just go ahead and go back to her and waive it.
Excuse me?
Yeah, just waive it. Tell her it's a one-time courtesy. It's fine.
I've been on the phone with this customer for 15 minutes letting her know that we're not going to waive it. There's no way I'm going to go back now and let her know that I'm waiving it. Absolutely not.
I get it. Just let her know that we're just not.
That's why they treat us the way they treat us. Because I'm sure even when I transfer her to you, you're going to waive it anyway. But you know what? You can do that as part of your job. I did my job, which was following the rules that tell me that one-time courtesy fee waiver. After that, they have to pay the fee. And now you're telling me I have to go and waive a fee that I've been telling her I'm physically unable to waive. And you're telling me to go waive it. No, I'm so sorry. I'm going to go ahead and transfer her to you, okay? One moment.